So now we're on the last step. Fix the problems and run Kali. Now, in the previous lecture, we installed Kali and ran it for the first time. And we had a problem with the network. Now, we'll fix the problem and make Kali ready to use. First, let me reboot the machine. I want to understand whether the problem is an exception for the initial run or not. So I shut down the virtual machine because I want to look at the settings of it. Now, this is the VMware Fusion's virtual machine library. Select the Kali and click the Settings button. Click Processors and Memory. I want to make the RAM 3 GB. So now I can click the Start button to boot it again. Now let me look at the network adapter while it's booting. Click on Network Adapter. Internet is shared in NAT mode, and that's what I want. Root as the username, tour as a password. Okay, we are in again. So let's check the network connection by clicking the network icon at the upper right-hand corner. It says connecting, but it cannot. So I think there's a problem on the DHCP of the VMware on my host. Well, anyway, we can live without DHCP as well. But you probably won't face such a problem and see the network as soon as you run Kali. However, I want to show you that problems occur and don't give up. We can get rid of them. So I'm looking at the wired network. Don't be confused, even though you share the wireless connection of your host machine, it's simulated as a wired network in the VM. So let's open a terminal screen and look at the networking service if it's running. Write Service Networking and press Tab twice to see the available commands of the service. Networking service does not have status command, so I'll assume that it's not started and try to start it. Still seems to be connecting, but it is not. So now I go to Wired Settings, click the wheel icon under the Wired tab. Okay, I go to the IPv4 tab to set the IP manually. Click the Manual option. I'll choose an IP for the new Kali. Now, the IP block of my virtual network is 172.16.99.0/24. So I'll choose an IP from this block. Netmask is 255.255.255.0 for a 24 IP block. And as far as I remember, the gateway is 172.16.99.2. Let me look at another VM's network settings. So this is Kali I'm currently using. Go to Network Settings, select Wired Settings. Click the wheel icon under the Wired tab. Go to the IPv4 tab. Yes, the gateway is correct. So I'll use 8.8.8.8, that's the Google DNS, as my DNS server. And route, okay, let's leave it as automatic. Now click the Apply button at the upper right-hand corner. Now go to the terminal and check the network again. Restart the networking service. It still seems to be connecting. If config, to check if it obtained an IP. Nope, no chance. Okay, I'll reboot the machine to be sure that the changes are applied. You can use reboot command in the terminal screen to reboot the machine. Boot completed. Looks like it connected. So open a terminal screen, type ifconfig to see the IP address of the new Kali. It's 225, just as we said. So let's ping a remote system, for example, Google DNS 8.8.8.8. Yes, we received the response packages. The network's okay now. So to double check, open a browser and visit any website.